Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you a big vending machine for selling iPhones. So it's written iPhone on here so everybody could understand. There is also a window where we can see our iPhone. There. That's the compartment where we'll get the iPhone. And at the back there is a coin slot. And there is also a small window. Okay, let's try to pull this lever without paying anything. As you see, it doesn't work. We need to insert $100. And there. Now look, the lever has moved but a bit, so now we should pull it. And obviously get our iPhone. And as you see, it works perfectly. So now let's push the lever to lock this machine. And there. And $100 are just here. Here's the compartment where the iPhone is. Over here. And when we insert $100, they push the whole mechanism, and that's why when we pull, the iPhone just falls into here, and then we get it. And our $100 are just here. So that's the end. If you enjoyed this video and this iPhone machine and want more videos, please like, subscribe and write cool comments. For now, goodbye!